What's up, y'all? We is back with another one. Good morning. We got this Jeep that we about to get into. So this Jeep is kind of like a work in progress. Basically, I'm not gonna do like some crazy wash to it because obviously the roof's not on it, but it's really the inside. We're not even really gonna worry about the wheels and none of that. So we're pretty much gonna be doing like an inside job on this entire vehicle. It's got hair. I'm gonna really be able to get to see if my restart interior works today on all this hair, and we got some bad stuff going on here. I am gonna put the pressure wash on it, but I'm gonna have to be pretty delicate. But I'm just gonna focus on the inside to start, and we're gonna make this thing happen. So my goal is to knock this thing out best way possible and keep it going in the right direction. But y'all can see what we working with. I'm actually probably gonna use my Restore interior cleaner instead of I don't know. I'm gonna try the regular restart out just to kind of test it on certain areas and whatnot. But for the most part, we gonna use the regular stuff. But I gotta make this thing look good, so pretty excited about doing it because I'm always trying to see if my chemicals working the best that they can, so y'all can know what to get in your free time, because I know y'all be out there detailing y'all cars yourself. So at least I'm gonna show y'all what to get, and y'all can go right on winningedgecarwash.com and get your detailing equipment and chemicals. But for now, we're gonna get this thing started and make it happen. So let's go. So y'all, we got some hours in this Jeep because that hair was embedded in the carpet. But look how it came out. So I just wanted y'all to see the carpet before I put the mats in there. We hit a little light, you know, wipe off on the outside, nothing too major. Not even putting no tire shine on it because they got some special wheels that's gonna go on here. What we did on the inside was hit it with that restore. So we got a product out to restore the interior. So the interior came out looking real good. And we got it all back on point. So we're gonna throw the mats back in here, finish up, and then call it a day on this Jeep.